Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the app notifications on Android step by step. Now this particular method works best on any of the Android devices that you are using. It can be Samsung, OnePlus, Redmi, Realme, Vivo, or basically any of the Android phone. So first of all, you need to open the settings of your Android phone. Afterwards, you need to scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find the apps option. Under the app options, look for the option of app management. Now, after tapping on the option of app management, you are going to see all of the applications which you have basically installed on your phone. Among these, you need to select that particular application, the notifications of which you want to disable or turn off. For example, let's say I want to turn off the notifications from Adobe Acrobat. So after tapping on it, you will be landed here on the app info of the app. So here you are going to see the option of manage notifications. So when you tap on the option of manage notifications, by default it will set to allow notifications. So if it is set to allow notifications, you will get the badges and the ring and the vibration for it on the lock screen and on the banner. So if you want to limit the notifications, you can make changes into these settings. But if you want to turn them off completely, simply turn this toggle button off too, and this way you will be able to turn off the app notifications of any of the applications on Android phone. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.